Ang lamig. Nakakahiya. Buti na lang mababait yung mga tao dito. Day 2. Good morning, guys. We will be having our breakfast here. And here's the menu. I think I'll be... Oh, it's not longganisa. It's hot dog. It's sausage. Let's eat. They also have bread and fruits. Of course, the coffee. This is my breakfast, and that is Sheila's breakfast. As a coffee lover. Hi!
Hello.
So, this is my hair. And yun naman yung outfit niya.
Uy, ayusin mo nga yung sa likod mo.
Ay, hindi ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Kay hirap sabihin ikaw ang kasibola ng buhay, puso'y dalisay. Kailan pa man ipahintulot mong... Ano yan? Worship song? Sa Pinas? Gospel. Susuma sa iba yung kaginhawahan.
We're ready to go! Yes, outfit check. Ang pangalan niya today ay Brownie. I'm so happy because the weather is so good today. Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 of Pohang trip. I was in the wrong way.
Napaka.
So we're so ready to explore Pohang. Pohang? Good morning, guys. So this is the day 2 of our Pohang trip. I'm with Brownie.
Arf, arf.
네. Ang ano ng ilong ko, dry. Right after getting off from the bus, andito na agad yung filming location ng Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. Na lagi nilang yung mag-asawa tas buntis yung babae. So ito yon. And then this was the Shijang naman. Ganda mo naman. Ano naman yung parang hardware yata or bilihan ng mga fishing rod, yung mga kailangan sa pag-fishing. Hindi ko na maalala kasi sobrang tagal ko nang pinanood ng Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. Tapos on the other side, ito yung Shijang. Tapos makikita nyo dyan, sa Shijang na yan, yung mga picture ng lead, tsaka yung mga scenes sa K-drama. Nakainan na rin dito ngayon. Pero back then, wala pa masyado. From here, makikita nyo yung mapa kung saan matatagpuan yung mga filming location. Kung maaalala nyo, this one is yung merong parang boat sa taas ng bundok. And then, that one. Ito pala yun. Yung may boat sa taas ng bundok. Tapos ito naman yung dental clinic. And ito yung merong red na tawag dito? Red lighthouse. So right here, this is the Chongha Gongjin Market, the filming location of Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. We welcome your visit. Meron din silang gantong screen. Panood nyo na yung K-drama, for sure familiar sa inyo tong Ojingon na to. This side naman is the edifice of the coffee shop. Sa itinerary natin is Wolpo Hesu Yukchang. Hello!
Hello.
So right now, we are planning to go to the next destination, which is the beach called Wolpo. Tama?
The beach.
Beach.
The beach.
Only cons here is yung bus nila dito sa Pohang. Medyo matagal yung interval. So after one place to another, kailangan natin maghintay. Kailangan namin maghintay ng 20 minutes. So if you're going to visit and wala kayong car, I advise you to always check the bus schedule para ma-maximize nyo yung oras habang naghihintay sa bus.
환승입니다. 환승입니다. 하차입니다. 하차입니다.
Alright, we're here. Hello. Lakas ng alon, be.
Wow.
Lakas ng alon naman. Hi. Lakad tayo. Grabe, sobrang lamig. So, we're going to eat something first. And this girl is craving chicken. One is fine. And this one is worst. The worst among the rest. Okay, we will order this one. Because she said she liked it. She likes it. Papunta na tayo sa dental clinic nung female na lead na ginanapan ni Shin Min Ah. It will take 56 minutes. And again, the problem is the bus schedule. Kailangan naming bilisan para makatch namin yung kulay green na bus.
버스 번호를 확인하세요.
Very probinsya ang atake ng Pohang. Ang ganda ng weather today. Guys, naliligaw na kami. Tulungan nyo kami. Yung sasakyan namin 5,000 nakadaan na. Kamnida! Na lang ang bait ng bus driver. Guys, walang tinginan ditong TV. So, ganyan lang. Tingin tayo sa app. So guys, the thing is, ang next bus ay 4:42 pa. So, the time is 3:18, so we need to wait for 1 hour and approximately 30 minutes. Kaya, magta-taxi na lang kami. We decided to take the taxi. We're ready to go. Pretty.
300m 앞 좌회전입니다. 이어서 목적지 부근입니다.
예뻐.
잠시 후 목적지 부근입니다.
Wow. Grabe guys, ang ganda here. Sobrang lamig lang today. Look at that. Gusto namin sana pumunta dun sa kulay red na lighthouse. Pero we're not sure kasi kung pwede kaming pumasok. Kasi wala masyadong turista. And may harang kasi doon. Doon pwede namang pumasok. Kaya lang, hindi kami sure. Baka mapagalitan kami. So, we are contemplating to go inside. Tatanong kami. Tapos, si Sheila yung magaling mag-Korean, pero mahiyain. Ano? Laki ng problema namin. Ako naman makapalang mukha, pero baka hindi ko ma-explain yung sarili ko. Sige, let's see. 저기요. 죄송한데 혹시 저기 갈 수 있어요? 괜찮으세요? 이렇게 네, 감사합니다. nakakahiya. Wow. And this is the Red Lighthouse. Sobrang lamig na, so babalik na kami. We will try to find the dental clinic in the new ship on the top of the mountain. Pero let's see if meron pang time. Look at that. It's so peaceful here. Kaya lang sobrang lamig talaga today. Hindi na ng water. This is a dental clinic ni Shinmina. Pero ngayon, naging kainan na siya. Kaya lang, today is closed. Rest day nila. So, from here, makikita nyo naman sa harap yung mga murals nila. Here and there. Hindi siya yung typical bus stop na makikita nyo sa mga city. Grabe. Old style. So, paano natin i-check dito yung current location? Tapos yung upuan nila guys, yung wood pa, hindi pa yung umiinit. Kasi usually ngayon, yung may heater na naupuan eh.
환승입니다. 하차입니다. 하차입니다.
Finally, tumama din ang pag-navigate ko. Finally, we arrived near the accommodation. Umalis na fresh. Umuwing bulok. Thank you for watching. Bye!